Hello, my name is Natalie Alders Johnson. I got married about a month ago to Nathaniel Johnson from Albany, Oregon, which leads into the next point. My current ministry context is learning to be a great, amazing wife to my new husband. And not only that, but I'm helping serve him in his ministry at the church here in Albany. He is the associate pastor of the church and also the principal and high school teacher of the private school here at Standard Christian School. I will be helping to teach high school Spanish and English, so I will be teaching high school Spanish and English. I've been involved over the years for much of my life in music and in the youth work, so even though I'm not doing that right now, I hope to maybe sometime soon get back involved in that. And more recently in my 20s, 26, so I've been involved in Hispanic ministry, so that's a passion of mine, burden of mine. My degree program currently is the Master of Arts in Christian Ministries. Hope to finish that within the next 3 years at the latest. And yes, an area of pastoral care that is of particular interest to me is youth and Christian schooling, which is no surprise. All my life I've loved mentoring, trying to mentor young people my age, people under me. So Life Girls, I started a girls program at my church back in Nacogdoches, Texas, called Life Girls, and tried to start a hyphen ministry, Life Point, but never really got off the ground for older young people, college-age young people at Stephen F. Austin State University. I've worked in Sunday school for much of my younger years and recently with the youth, so that's really an area that I would like to, that has defined my life more. So Christian schooling is a daily opportunity to be involved with ministry and with many different types of people. You're dealing with students, you're dealing with staff, with other teachers, with other private schools around the area and the section. So there's a lot of opportunities to use skills that you would learn in pastoral care in this class in Christian schooling. So it's my desire to do what I can in the ministries that I've been involved in, that I'm involved in right now. Many of the students, some of the students, not many, but some of the students in our private school are not apostolic. So it's a great opportunity to minister to them, to reach out to them, the parents, the families that are involved in our Christian schools. So that is my desire for this class, is to reach those that are involved of youth age and of any age, really, those that I come into contact with in Christian schooling and in youth work. Thank you, and hope to see you all soon in October. I enjoy meeting a lot of you before, and I will enjoy meeting new people. So, see you later.